Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix a hacked Hotmail account and recover it in 2026. So if your account was compromised, emails were sent without your permission, or you can't log in anymore, this guide will walk you through the recovery steps safely. First, go to the official Microsoft account recovery page. This is where you can start the process to regain access to your hacked Hotmail account. Next, enter your Hotmail email address and complete the verification steps. So, Microsoft may send a code to your recovery email or phone number. Now, if you regain access, change your password immediately. Choose a strong password that is not used anywhere else. Next, enable two-step verification. This adds an extra security layer so hackers can't easily get back into your account. So review recent sign-ins, devices, and app access. Remove anything you don't recognize immediately. Also check inbox rules and forwarding settings. Hackers sometimes create hidden rules to redirect your emails, and that's how to fix a hacked Hotmail account and recover it in 2026. Once you secure your password, enable protection, and remove suspicious activity, your account will be safe again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook security tutorials. Hey everyone, in this